طبعا أنا بعشق المكان وبعشق عجلون، ومش لأني أنا ساكن فيها ولا لأني من أهلها. عجلون مميزة.
هذا بالشماغ الأردني.
Which is very, very unique to this area, and it's a dish that is usually, nobody is crazy enough to eat it in summer except for us. Love food is that it gathers us. You were just mentioning that food has taken you around the world, and food builds those bridges and allows room for these conversations to happen.